guys, this is Veronica and today I'm gonna teach you how to do these cuties. Let's get started. Well, the first thing to do is to warm up the material that you're gonna work with. In this case, I use cold porcelain, but you can use any other clay, or you can use edible product like fondant and gum paste. Then you're gonna make a bowl and you're gonna flatten it to make the shape of the pumpkin. And when you have the size that you want with a plastic knife, you're gonna make this line from down to up, and you make the perfect shape for this pumpkin. When you have everything as they look like nice and smooth, you're gonna add the cell adhesive eyes, in this case 3D eyes, or you can actually add 2 little balls and recreate the eyes in that way. I love to use 3D eyes, so in this case I'm using one of my favorite ones and they look so cute. So then you're gonna use a tool to make the smile, and that's it, and your face is complete. Now we're gonna repeat the same process, but we're gonna make a smaller size. As you can see, I use my tools to make the 2 marks where the eyes is gonna be. In this case, the small pumpkin's face is looking front, so the eyes are separate, so they look even cutest. It's time to make a leaf, so we're gonna warm up again the material to work with, in this case porcelain clay, and we're gonna make a little ball and like a droop, and we're going to apply to the mold and press, and that's it. It's really easy to use. So we're gonna make a couple ones. I decided to do 2 each pumpkins, so but you can do as many as you want. When you have your leaf ready, we're gonna start making an extra decoration to add it on the face. It's like a kind of green hair the pumpkin has, but it could be grass or a part of the green stuff that the pumpkins has. So it's really easy. You're just gonna make a sausage, and then you're gonna just twist. Try not to press too hard so it's not breaking in part, and it just make a really uneven shape, so it look more cutest and more realistic at the same time. Now it's time to add the face to the plastic stick. I'm using PVA glue in this case because I use in porcelain clay, but if you're using edible products, you need to replace that with something different. So if you want to have more information about that, please contact me and I will be happy to respond. So after you add the both faces, and you just try to make this look cute, so one face facing one place and the other one is looking sideways, and then you're gonna make a little hole on the top of those faces, and you're gonna add a little bit green like a stick on them, but it's gonna be green in this case. So it's really easy to do. You can just literally make a drop in just a little hole, and that's it, and you apply that on the top. And then you're gonna start adding all of the green decoration that we previously made, and try to apply in the place that you think it will look better. You always have time to remove it in a glue in a different place if you need to, but yeah, it's just have fun. Try to relax and make this as you like. Now we repeat the same with a smaller face, and just add in the leaf that we created previously too. The ones that don't have this type of mold to make the leaves, I decided to show you how to do it without. So you're gonna make the same bow and the droop, and then you flat, and then with a plastic or any tool similar, you're gonna make these lines, and then you're gonna start to smooth and flat and make thinner the edges of the leaf, so it looks more realistic. And now we're making again the wooden stick on top of the pumpkin, and you can see I use the same system. I make a bowl, a little drop, and then you need to make like a little hole inside. And I did it as previously, but using a different tool. So you can use many different tools to create the same thing. We are almost finished, and this is just an addition in case you wanted to look more realistic, your pumpkin, and more with a 3D dimension. So I using a dusting powder to create a dark so shadows and lights in the pumpkins, and that actually make the pumpkins look more realistic. So I love to do that, and it's so much fun. But if you don't have something like that, you just can leave the pumpkin as it was the previous. If you don't have the powders, you can use maybe makeup powder. Then they actually can be helpful in these kind of non-edible decorations. Well, now I am in the last part. This is just so much fun. I'm using one of my favorite tools is a wheel dot, and it's great tools to use because they got different sizes of this, so you can create different sizes of dots. But if you don't have this tool, you can use the back of the brush, and you can create these dots. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you recreate these pumpkin faces with your kids. If you want to learn how to do more handmade decoration or cakes, you can subscribe for free to my YouTube channel and you will learn how to do many more things. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family or in your social media to help me to get more and more videos for you.